Yeah, Johnny is a joker, he's a bird, a very funny joker, what a bird. But when he chokes my honey, he's a dog, his jokes aren't even funny, what a dog. Johnny is a joker who just wants to steal my baby, he's a bird dog. And Johnny sings a love song like a bird, the sweetest little love song you ever heard. But when he sings to my gal, what a howl. To me he's just a wolf dog on the prowl. Johnny wants to fly away and puppy love my baby, he's a bird dog. Well, hey bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my lovely dove alone. Oh, hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chicken little of your own. Now Johnny kissed the teacher, he's a bird. He tiptoed up to reach her, what a bird. Well, he's the teacher's pet now. He's a dog, he wants what he can get now. What a dog, he even made the teacher let him sit next to my baby, he's a bird dog. Well, hey bird dog, get away from a quail. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my lovely dove alone. Yeah, hey bird dog, get away from a chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chicken